Welcome, student. Up to previous lecture, we completed the first lesson, that is the daydream of Gopal Bhand. Okay, we completed this lesson with understanding the theme or the meaning of that story. Look at the exercise of this lesson. That is, for the first question is the read the following words aloud and copy them in your notebook. So we have to write down this word in our notebook, your notebook, with the meaning. Okay, so and then the next question is the answer the following questions. What did the husband want to buy? So here we have answer of that question, that the husband want to purchase a few cow. So the husband wanted to purchase or wanted to buy a few cow. Here we have answer. Husband wanted to purchase uh, a few cows. Okay, now the second question is, what plan did the wife make? What plan did the wife make? Here is the answer, is here. The plan of that of the wife is to send remaining pots of milk to her sister. Okay, this is the answer of second question. Then third question is, what did the husband want to do with the extra milk? With the extra milk, With the extra milk, here is the answer. With the extra milk, here is the answer. The remaining cow, you wanted extra milk, okay. So you like this you can find the answer of the remaining questions. Write it down into your notebook which you made for the home assignment. Here we have a web, okay, a map or web, the concept of chart, map and web. The school, in the center we have a word like school, and the remaining side we have a word school, and the remaining side it is like a web or a spider, that the remaining this side the remaining words are related with the school, okay. For example, in the school we have teacher, subjects, examples, problem set. So this is this side, this way, and school have a bell, clock, recess, phone, then the bag, notebook, pencil, new. In the school we have friend, we plays the game with them, and this line shows us a timetable, railway, train, journey through which we go to the school, okay. Now here are some grammar which comes in this lesson, that a phrases there are some phrases which comes in the lesson, like one day, some extra money, a few cow, all the milk. A phrase is a meaningful group of word. So here is some meaning, okay, meaningful group of word. From a story, find at least 3 phrases each that begins with or include each of the article. So here are the articles, that a and the, okay. Just find out the sentences from this lesson which have a and the articles, okay. Choose a and an correctly and fill the blank, okay. Earthen pots, a earthen pot, okay. A cow, a jar, a sister, a stout stick, a lovely field, an eyebrow, write a plural form, an earthen pot, and an eyebrow, okay. And write a plural form of the following, just like the cow, cows, pot, jar, jar, sister, sisters, market, markets, drops, sticks. So such like you have to do this homework and send me a photograph of these exercises. Okay. Now we are going to start a new lesson, that is be a good listener. Now we are going to start this lesson, that is be a good listener. Students, if you want to be a good leader, or if you want to achieve a great success, the base of all success in your life is a listening, proper listening. The great leaders in the world are good listeners, because if you do not understand the views who are in front of you, then how can you make a decision about that person, or how can you reply to that person? Or if you do not understand the person, you cannot make a good communication, or you cannot develop a good communication with the other persons. So, for that purpose, you must develop a habit of good listening. If you have a habit of a good listening, then you can understand the situation in your life, or the problems you faces in your life, or the opportunities you get in your life. So be a good listener, because it gives you success, fame, in your life. Okay. Now here are the points, and asking through the questions we have to give the answers for this, so we can become a good listener. When you are listening to someone, do you look at the person, or do you turn your head away, or a toy with something else? Here, in this question, he asked that the good listeners look at the speakers. If you do not look at the speaker, you deny him, you ignore him. You wanted to ignore that person, so person could not create a good communications with you, because you are not hearing in a proper way. So you have to develop a habit of listening a proper way. Your physique, your face, your hands, and your attitude must show that you are very serious about the questionnaire. If you are a speaker, if you not develop a habit of being a reply with your physics, you could not get a success in your life. So you must develop a good habit of using your physics, that you are a very serious listener. Second question, do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? So you must listen what the speaker is saying. You must not ignore to the speaker what he wanted to say. If you ignore the speaker, you could not understand what he wanted to say. The things he wanted to say may be very important in your life. If you ignore that, then you miss out that important thing in your life. So you must listen or pay close attention to the speaker. Do you make any special efforts to understand the speaker? Here are some of the things that will help you understand the speaker better. So to develop a good habit of listening, there are some tips given in this lesson. Students, now we will stop here because these tips are more and we could not pay more time in this lecture. They need more time to explain. Okay, so we will now stop here and continue with this lesson into the next lecture. Okay, thank you.